Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I'm going to show you how we can fade clips together in Adobe Premiere 2019. So let's go. First you need to have two clips which are cut in. They are similar, but this is a reversed speed clip, so it will go back, and also you can see the lighting is really different there. Now what you want to do, go to Effects and right there dissolve. And you will have it here, video transitions, dissolve, cross dissolve. Take it and paste it in the middle. It wants me to put on a beginning, but we are going to change that. Okay. Now as you can see, it's in a beginning of the clip, but we are going to put like here. Now center at cut, and as you can see it's perfect. Now let's play it whole. All right. Bang. Amazing. Now what you can do also, you can make it much longer like this. So we can make even the cross dissolve transition much longer. So yep, let's play last time. Here we go, baby, here we go. So this is how we make it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support this channel with subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you again everyone, and goodbye. Peace.